It's New York's #1 tastemaker, DJ King James.
Hit and run. Hit and run.
I just got my bike back from the bike shop, and in my behalf and his behalf, I think that he done a wonderful job lighting my bike up just to be a safer bike. A lot of people get their bikes lit up just to be showing off their bikes, but with me, no. As you see, my bike is tied down to my trailer, ready for me to get out of here, head back to New York. But anyway, I just want to show you what the light kit was about. Let me just throw it on real quick. He really hooked the bike up. There's lights underneath, gas tank, back. Put some lights on so the fact that I will be seen. And I even got a remote control for it, so I can switch it to different types of effects. I think he done an excellent job on my bike. In my behalf, safety is first. I want to be seen out on the road other than just being hurt. So I think he done an excellent job. Just a Bandit 600, but it gets me around. I'm not one of those big bike enthusiastic people, but this bike gets me around. That's why I like to sit something in the back, so people can see me. But anyway, eyes on photography. With my new light kit on my bike, very pleased, very pleased. Ain't that sharp?